Stacey Ray's travel tips. Stacey.
Can we talk about boarding the plane for a second? Because there's a very specific situation that happens every single time, and really, it needs to stop. You know exactly what I'm talking about. We finally get on the plane, the line is moving, and then suddenly everything just stops. Why? Because someone's in the aisle wrestling for their life with a carry-on bag that's either bigger than they are, heavier than it should be, or both. We are bringing bags that we absolutely cannot lift into that overhead bin. Here's the thing. This is not about strength, it's about planning. If you can't lift your bag into the overhead bin by yourself, it needs to be checked. Because boarding is not the time to discover that your suitcase weighs more than your upper body strength can handle. And it's so not fair to expect strangers or the flow of the entire plane to adjust around that. We all just want to get on, get settled, and get moving. So here's the rule we all need to adopt. If you bring it, you lift it. Otherwise, check it. Because nothing, and I mean nothing, backs up a plane faster than an aisle blocked by a suitcase that had no business being a carry-on in the first place.